How to hide or unhide location on your profile on REDNote app. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open a REDNote application in your mobile device. Once you open the REDNote app, you want to go ahead and log into your REDNote account. Now once you are logged in, simply tap on the me icon at the bottom right corner. And then once you are inside the profile section, simply tap on edit profile right over here. Now, once you are inside the edit profile section, go ahead and tap on location. And in order to hide the location on your profile, you want to go ahead and toggle off this button. But if you would like to unhide location on your profile, simply go ahead and toggle on this button. Once done, tap on confirm right over here. And just like so, you will then be able to unhide or hide location on your profile on REDNote app. Well, that is simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.